Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a review about the product inside of this parcel. So guys, just relax and we need your opinion too. If you're watching this video, just give your thought if we're the same opinion about what I noticed or what I can suggest or how we rate this item. So guys, let's do this. What I love ordering in AliExpress is that some of its items product is unique and it's really true to what it's look from your mobile phones to the actual item itself. Beside of its fast delivery, but it depends on your location guys. More of its items is absolutely free in shipping. Like this one guys, I pay zero and its shipping fee. This is a Sweet Submarine Pump. This product have so many uses guys. You can use it as water circulation for waterfalls or any water features like fountains in your backyards, like something like that. For fish lover out there, this is perfect for you guys. You can put it on your aquarium suitable for fish and marine water. Don't worry guys, this product is low energy consumption so your aquarium suitable for fish and marine water. Don't worry guys, this product is I will show you now how it works. I will show you a little demo. We're going to put this product in a small tub. Please guys, do not use the pump where there are sand and stone which will hinder the use of the product. If you find noise from the product, this is disassemble it immediately. For cleaning, just check it always. Make sure that there are no other foreign object. If you consider the output from the pump is not strong enough, if you find it a little bit weak, please make sure that connect a hose to the outlet and make the hose higher than the water level. And make sure guys that the height from the center point of the pump to the water level in the hose is the same. As I can see, the pump is working well. I really sure for it. Cause that's the one I noticed. The pressure is good. I will rate these items a 5 star based on its performance. As I can see, the convenience and easy to use, plus point and its adjustable flow rate design. As you can see, it's look durable. Yeah, that's a 1 point. As I experience, base or I will if I will compare it to the other brand that I used before, it's more sufficient. We'll show you guys another one uses this pump. You can use this in your aquarium. As you can see guys, our pits is enjoying because it provides essential oxygen and allowing more dissolved oxygen to enter the water while releasing excess carbon dioxide, ultimately contributing to the overall health. It also prevents stagnant water and can promote it better. See guys how this product is reusable. So Just check these items now on AliExpress and just build the great deals. Thank you.